When it comes to creating a lasting first impression of your home, few things are as impactful as a front door. A well-chosen door not only serves as a functional entryway but also acts as a visual focal point that sets the tone for the rest of the house. In Dallas, where the weather, architecture, and personal style vary, selecting and installing the perfect door can make a world of difference in enhancing your home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to update the exterior of your house to impress potential buyers, improve energy efficiency, or simply refresh the look of your home, a new door installation is a smart investment that can provide lasting benefits. The impact of a new door on curb appeal. The front door is one of the first things visitors or passers-by notice about a home. It not only represents the entrance to your personal space but also speaks volumes about your home's style and character. In a city like Dallas, with its eclectic mix of traditional, contemporary, and modern homes, a new door can elevate the entire aesthetic of your property. Whether your home features a classic brick facade, a contemporary stucco finish, or a more rustic exterior, a door can complement and enhance the overall look. A new front door installation offers an immediate upgrade, improving the visual appeal and adding sophistication to your entryway. From classic wooden doors with ornate carvings to sleek glass-paneled modern designs, there's a door style that can suit any preference and make a statement that reflects your personality and taste. Increased home value. If you're planning to sell your home in Dallas, investing in a new front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase its market value. According to real estate experts, a new front door has one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, when it comes to home improvements. A fresh, attractive door gives the impression of a well-maintained, updated home, which can sway potential buyers. Additionally, with Dallas being a competitive real estate market, creating a standout impression with a striking front door could make your property more desirable and set it apart from others. Even if you're not looking to sell anytime soon, enhancing your home's curb appeal adds value over time, making it a worthwhile investment for years to come. Energy efficiency and comfort. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, a new door can also improve the comfort of your home by enhancing energy efficiency. Dallas is known for its hot summers and mild winters, and a poorly insulated door can cause energy loss, resulting in higher utility bills. By opting for a door with proper insulation, you can maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, keeping cool air in during the summer and warm in during the winter. Modern doors are available with energy-efficient features, such as low emissivity glass, weather stripping, and foam core insulation. These features not only help regulate indoor temperatures but also make your home more eco-friendly by reducing your energy consumption. This is an excellent selling point for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint while also saving money on energy costs. Durability and security. A new door installation doesn't just improve curb appeal. It also provides an opportunity to upgrade the security and durability of your home. Older doors may show signs of wear and tear, making them vulnerable to break-ins or damage from the elements. By replacing your front door with a modern, high-quality model, you'll improve the security of your home. Many contemporary doors come equipped with reinforced frames, high-security locks, and impact-resistant materials that offer better protection against intruders. In addition to security, a new door is designed to withstand the changing weather patterns in Dallas, from torrential rainstorms to intense heat, ensuring that it remains durable and functional for years. Choosing the right door for your home in Dallas. When selecting a new door for your Dallas home, it's essential to consider a few key factors to ensure that it aligns with both your needs and the architectural style of your home. Start by choosing a door material that is durable and fits the climate. Popular choices include steel, fiberglass, and wood. Steel and fiberglass doors offer superior insulation and security, while wood doors offer classic charm and warmth. Next, think about design elements such as color, hardware, and glass features. A bold, contrasting color can add visual interest to a neutral-colored home, while intricate glass designs or sidelights can allow natural light to flow into your entryway. Finally, ensure that your new door fits perfectly. A professional installation can guarantee a proper seal and ensure optimal performance, preventing drafts and potential security issues. Conclusion. A new door installation in Dallas is a simple yet powerful way to enhance the curb appeal of your home. Whether you're seeking to increase your home's value, improve its energy efficiency, or simply update its look, investing in a high-quality door is a worthwhile decision. With a variety of materials, designs, and features available, you can find the perfect door that reflects your personal style and meets your functional needs. Don't underestimate the impact a new front door can have on your home's exterior. It could be the key to making your house the standout on the block.